In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now tap on the password you wanna check, enter your login method and use icon. This way you can make your password visible. If it's too long, hit edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!